Hello everyone. The topic for today is checking accounts. Right now I want you to pause the video so you can copy down your notes and then resume when you're ready. Our first example involves balancing a check register. So we have 4 different transactions here. We have an account balance of $500 and we need to know the account balance after we have done all of these transactions. So we also need to know what a deposit is, what a withdrawal is, and how a transaction, depending on whether it's a deposit or withdrawal, affects your account balance. So we started with 500. We are going to Sonic and we're spending $2. So that brings our new account balance to $498 because we took $2 out of that account to pay for the Sonic. Then we went to the movies and we spent $27. So after we take the 27 away, we've got $471. Now we have a deposit of $100, which means we're putting money back into the bank account, which means that it's going to go up to $571. And last, we have a transaction at CVS in which we spent $13. So now we have $558 left over, so that is our new account balance. Now let's take a look at some of those same transactions, except now we're going to have some decimals involved. So again, we're starting with $500, and let's say that we went to Sonic and we spent $2.24. Well, we're going to subtract to figure out the new account balance after that transaction, and we get $497.76. Just as a reminder, we have to always line up the decimals whenever we are adding or subtracting. And since 500 is a whole number, we can always add a decimal and 2 zeros after so that we can line up everything properly to do our adding or subtracting. Next, we go to the movies, and we're taking that $497.76, and we're taking away $27.03. So we wind up with $470.73. Then we're going to deposit some money into the bank at $100.05. We still have $570.78. And lastly, we go to CVS and spend $13.76, and that leaves us with a final balance of $557.02. In these types of problems, we have to decide which bank is best for each of these 3 individuals. We've got Banco Monte, in which we get free online banking, and we pay a $25 fee for unlimited transactions every month. And then we've got Logan's Bank for You, in which you have to pay $20 to get the online banking, and the first 15 transactions are free and $1 per transaction after that. So based on these 3 individuals' banking needs, we're going to decide which bank is better for them. So looking at Joshua's situation, he averages 12 transactions per month and does not use online banking. So if we were looking at the Banco Monte, that means that he's going to pay $25 regardless. He can have as many transactions, and the online banking is free, so he's going to pay $25 regardless there. However, at Logan's Bank, he's going to be able to waive that $20 fee for online banking because he doesn't use it, and he's under the 15 free transactions. He averages 12, so he's not going to pay anything for Logan's Bank. So the better situation for him would be to use Logan's Bank. Gabby uses the averages 20 transactions, and also uses online banking. So at the Banco Monse, she's going to pay $25. Again, that's a flat fee. You can have as many transactions as you would like, and you can use online banking for free. Here at Logan's Bank, well, she uses the online banking, so that's the $20 that she's going to pay. Well, she does more than 15 transactions, therefore she's going to end up having to pay an additional $5 because she's 5 over. So she's going to end up paying $25 there. Well, since both of those are even, she can decide between either one. She could say either, because she's paying the same amount of money for both banks. So at that point, she can choose whichever one she wants. Lastly, we have Marisol. She averages 30 transactions per month, and she also uses online banking. So again, she'd pay $25 at Banco Monse. Well, she is 15 transactions over the free amount, so she's going to pay $15 for the transactions because she's at 30, plus the $20 because she uses online banking, so she's going to end up paying $35 there. Well, that means that Banco Monse would be the better bank for her because it's cheaper. She's only going to pay $25. Looking at question number 2, Jade uses $30 from her checking account to donate money to her favorite charity. Will this be a deposit or a withdrawal when she enters the information into her check register? Well, she's taking money out of her account to give to charity, so that is a withdrawal, so that eliminates A and C, and so that makes it a withdrawal, which means she's taking money out of her account. Therefore, the correct answer is D. I want you to solve question number 3. Bring that answer along with any questions that you may have with you to class tomorrow.